weights wise, basketball wise, uh, plyos wise. Every day we work hard, and we just go as a team hard every day, 100%.
What do you do that you enjoy the best? What's your favorite part of the work?
I would have to say the weight room. It has been a big part of me and a big part of us as a team, and we go hard at that every day. Like I said, we go hard at every aspect of it every day, but I think we go hardest at that.
Talk to me about shooting. You're a really good shooter. How'd you get that good at shooting?
It started when I was, about a little kid, and I always worked hard at it as a little kid, and going up on the hill early mornings and shooting around with my dad and my family and my two little brothers that was coming up with me, and we all just worked hard at that, and I think that's how I got to become the great shooter I am now.
Tell me, what's the hill?
It's in the back of my grandfather's yard. Like I said, I've been up there since I was about 4 years old. My dad bought my first basketball court when I was 4 years old, and we can go up there 6 hours a day and shoot. That's all we really had was that basketball court up on top of the hill.